with a crochet stitch, you have a front and a back loop. And sometimes you are told to work in front loops only. And when you do that, you just insert your hook under the front loop and you work the stitches or stitch that you are instructed to work, working only in this front loop. And let me turn this around here in just a moment, because what it leaves on the back side is a ridge called the free loops. So when you have worked in the front loops, the back loops remain free and make either a decorative ridge here or something that you later work into. So that's how you work in the front loop only of a stitch, just like that.